Who doesn't want a high conversion rate? As a digital marketer, you do everything correct, yet you fail to generate enough conversions. I am sure you have regularly faced this issue in the past. So, when you have done everything correctly, then what is the possible missing element that stops you from generating the desired conversion rate? Hello everyone, Casey here. In this video, I am going to discuss with all of you why choosing appropriate keywords according to the user intent is important in digital marketing. One of the biggest factors that will make your campaign successful is focusing on user intent. So let's understand why choosing appropriate keywords according to the user intent is important. To start with, how do you select the keywords for your campaign? Especially when you are running a small budget campaign. Most of us must be using some of the amazing keyword research tools, with Google Planner being the most popular one, isn't it? So now let's discuss what is the usual process of selecting the keywords. First, you will shortlist all the relevant keywords which are having high number of searches and having lesser competition. You will also check for the average CPC bid. This is particularly important for a small budget campaign. Now, let's assume you have selected the keywords based on these criteria. Additionally, you have created a stunning landing page with a very engaging ad copy. You may finally end up getting a good CTR and a high quality score for the keywords. But you may still face problems in generating high conversion rate. So although you have spent a huge amount of time in creating stunning landing page and an awesome ad copy, yet you fail to generate enough conversion. But why? Here is the answer to it. You miss the user intent. To understand this, let's assume you are running ads for an interior designer based in Sydney. You have a keyword in your list, say home design ideas. Now, this keyword surely qualifies to be in the list according to the search volume, relevance, etc. But what are the users intending to do when they search this keyword on Google? Are they necessarily looking for a new interior designer? No, not necessarily. They may be browsing for some good interiors just to guide their existing contractor on what kind of design do they need. Possible? Of course yes. Hence, if this keyword is giving you a high quality score because of its relevance and high CTR, this keyword will not be useful to you because of its lower conversion rate. The prime reason behind the lower conversion rate is merely because all browsers are not necessarily looking to contact the interior designer. They may simply be searching for some other intended purpose. You may use these keywords if you have a pretty good fat budget, but it would certainly not be a good idea if you have a limited budget. Instead, you should opt for a keyword like interior designer in Sydney. This keyword will surely score more in terms of generating higher conversion rate. This implies that understanding the user intent is very necessary. That is, what the users are trying to find out is very important for a successful marketing campaign. Secondly, keep in mind that it is mandatory to understand the buyer's journey. In our next video, we are going to cover how to launch a campaign with a special emphasis on the buyer's journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay connected for more updates on how to digitally market your business effectively. You can also subscribe to my blog and YouTube channel so that you don't miss on any significant update.